right, so shooting. Well, it worked that time. Last couple times it didn't want to work. So, coming on into our interior, you know, we got some boo-boos, got some seat work that needs to be done. First concern was the top. You hit down, and you can hear it wanting to function. You hit up, and you don't hear anything, but the light dims. So, there is power transferring through the switch. So, Mr. John Kisla, this is your department, and we know our switch is good-ish. Probably have to pull the back seat out, dig into the relays. Probably have a dead or disconnected relay. Our antenna apparently worked. Yeah, look at that. Our antenna works great. Our clock, look at that. Wow. I'm impressed. Absolutely impressed. That thing goes up. All right. Wipers. Those are obviously vacuum. Okay, so the washer pump functions. That's good. Map light. Nope. AC blower motor. Not really getting any action out of that. There we go. Wow. It kind of works when it wants to, intermittently. Birdsie found my keys.
Is that the one?
For what?
Front door.
No.
I don't know.
This is the one for the front door. It's the one next to the one with the U-joint clip.
Gotcha.
This is the keys to all the car land in Palm Springs. That's like bajillions of dollars worth of keys.
Right.
Anyway, that's it. So this worked, and then it didn't, and then it did, and then it didn't. Just had it working. So there's got to be an intermittent contact somewhere in here. But we're going to turn everything off so we don't have anything goofy going on. Alright, let's start our car. Starts up good. Alright. Oil pressure gauge. It's coming up. Fuel gauge seems to be functional. We'll let her warm up, check our temp gauge. Amp meter's working. Woo! Rheostat's getting a little funky up in here. But instrument cluster lights up. And down here's lit up. Still have no map light. Woo! Vacuum actuated wipers actually work. Wow. All right. So I got all our lights on. Horn works. Alright. Everything's lit up here. Looking good. Now, let's play with our windows. Ooh. Ooh. That went for a second. No, that's all we got. Give me a little tug. Oh yeah. There it goes. Hey, look, we have a window that's up. Shocking. Vents not functioning, and our lights aren't even flickering with it. So. Okay. Why is passenger side vent running passenger side window? That's sort of promising. Nothing here. Nothing here. Nothing there. Try the actual switch itself for it right there on the inside. Just give it a little reach around. Nothing? Of course not. Alright, 2 out of 6 ain't bad. Radio, like we said, nada. Let's go check all our lights. Ooh, turn signals. Left turn. Works on the dash, but it's got a little flickeriness. Look at that. Right side. Also a little iffy. Oh. Hey, Mr. T-Bird. Woo, sexy.
Well, that's cool as hell.
I like that.
Did 6 work yet?
Some of them, I think. But look at that. I don't think his did, actually, because this is a single bulb in the middle. Okay, let's do right turn. Or left turn, rather. We in business? Yeah. Hit the brakes for me. Turn off the blinkers. The blinkers. Turn off the blinkers.
Ready?
Please do. Beautiful. Hit it again. Beautiful. All right. I am going to go up to the front now. Let's check out our headlights. All right. Use some high beam.
Just heavy on.
We ain't got shit.
Hey,
Give me-
blink, right?
Give me some turn signal. Hold on. Left turn. Good. Right turn. Good.
We go on the hood.
Yeah. All right. That's promising. All right. Emergency flashers are functioning. You can hear that flasher relay going click, 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 click. Oh, we're both going up here.
They weren't.
They are now.
Oh.
Wow. All right.